Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. سلام بچه‌ها. امیدوارم حالتون عالی باشه. خوش اومدید به کانال. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to talk about places in English. در این درس یاد میگیرید که چگونه در مورد مکان‌های انگلیسی با هم صحبت کنیم. After this lesson, you can describe your room, your house, and your city in English. بعد از این درس میتونی در مورد خونه و محل زندگیت به انگلیسی صحبت کنی. اوکی، لطفاً به عبارت بر روی صفحه خوب دقت کنید. We use there is for one thing. We use there is for one thing. And we use there are for more than one thing. We use there are for more than one thing. There is a book. There is a book. There are two books. There are two books. There is برای یکی. There are برای بیشتر از یکی. For example, there is a chair in the room. There is a chair in the room. There is a TV in my room. There is a TV in my room. There is a cafe near my house. There is a cafe near my house. There's a cafe near my house. There are two windows in the room. There are two windows in the room. There are two windows in the room. There are many people here. There are many people here. There are three shops on the street. There are three shops on the street. Okay. Questions and negative. Is there a bathroom here? Is there a bathroom here? Is there a bathroom here? Are there any restaurants here? Are there any restaurants here? Are there any restaurants here? Okay. Short answers. Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Yes, there are. No, there aren't. Now, listen to this conversation, please. Is there a table in the room? Yes, there is. Are there any windows? Yes, there are two windows. Speak now. Practice. Pause the video and speak. ویدیو رو نگه دار و در مورد این جای خالی ها برای خودت مثال بزن. If you can say these sentences, you are learning real English. اگه تونستی این جملات جای خالی رو جواب بدی، یعنی که داره واقعاً انگلیسی یاد میگیری. See you in the next lesson.